Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password on your mobile device and on PC. Let's get started. So of course, the first thing you want to do is to head over to your mobile device and head over to the Facebook application. Once you have the Facebook application open for you, the next thing you want to do is to head over to the top right corner of the screen where you have your icon over there. You want to click on this. And now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the gear icon at the topmost part of the screen. You want to click on that. And now you should land on a page like this. Once you're here, you just want to head over and click on See More in Account Center. Over there, you can notice that you already have password and security. So just head over and click on that. And then you should land on a page like this. Once you are here, just head over and click on Password and Security. And then head over to Change Password. From here, you want to select the profile which you would like to change the password. And once you do that, you should land on a page like this. And one thing you should know is that you have to know the current password of your account before you can change the password to a new one. So once you head over and put in your current password, just underneath there, you can put your new password and then you have to retype the password once more. And then once you do this, you just want to head over to the bottom of the screen and click on Change Password. So that's how you can easily change your password on your mobile device for Facebook. Let's head over to the PC. So guys, once you have your computer open, the first thing you want to do is to head over to the icon or your icon at the top right corner of the page. You want to head over and click on it. And then from here, you want to head over and go to Settings and Privacy. From here, head over to Settings. And now you should land on a page like this. Just head over to Account Center where you can see Password and Security. From here, just head over and look at the bottom here. You should find Password and Security. Click on this. And then you should find the option that says Change Password. You want to select this. And now you have to select the profile which you want to change the password for. And just like the screen we get when we do this on the Android or mobile device, you can see it tells you to put in your current password. And then you have to put in the new password. And then you have to retype your password in here. So once you do all of these steps, then you can have the option to change your password. And then once you click on this, your password will be changed for your Facebook account. Alright guys, that's all for this quick and easy tutorial on how to change your password on your mobile device and your PC. Please, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel. I post more helpful tutorials like this and videos. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Have a great and wonderful day. Thank you.